Today we will see how a government order can give momentum to an industry and what the possibilities lie there. How India can build an ecosystem in the aerospace industry. The government has finalized a long-awaited, nearly $3 billion agreement to procure 56 C-295 transport aircraft for the Indian Air Force under Make in India move. Here in this channel our motto is take up ongoing issue. Analyze the different perspective. The deal was approved by the Cabinet Committee on Security, which is overseen by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and will see 16 aircraft delivered in flyaway condition from Spain within 48 months of contract signing. Within 10 years of signing the contract, the Tata Consortium will manufacture the remaining 40 aircraft in India. The aircraft will replace the IAF's aging fleet of Avro 748 transport planes, which first took to the skies in 1961. The Airbus C-295 is a light and medium tactical airlifter of the next generation. It is not only durable and dependable, but also extremely versatile in terms of the missions it can carry out. Under all weather conditions, the C-295 performs multi-role operations around the world. It has capacity to fly with 71 troops or 50 paratroopers and 5 pilots. It can fly up to 11 hours in the air. It has a rear ramp door for quick reaction and cargo and troop para-dropping. It will be equipped with the electronic warfare suite developed in-house. Airbus-Tata deal was negotiated 6 years ago, but due to prioritization and financial construct deal was on hold and finally approved without price increment. The completion of an estimated Rs 21,000 crore contract for a Tata-Airbus joint venture to produce the C-295 transport aircraft in India, which would be the first time a military plane of that scale is built domestically by private companies, is high on the Indian Air Force's priority list. It will necessitate the construction of specialized infrastructure such as hangars, buildings, aprons, and taxiways. A D-level servicing facility, MRO, for C-295 megawatt aircraft is scheduled to be established in India prior to the completion of deliveries. So it will act as a regional maintenance, repair and overhaul hub for various variants of C-295 aircraft. The C-295 is a hot topic at the Aero India event, with international collaborator Airbus claiming that the final assembly line will create large number of new high-skilled jobs in the future years as part of the deal. Apart from the Tata Group, the initiative is planned to place large orders with at least 36 sub-suppliers that have been enlisted to provide a variety of aircraft parts. This ecosystem will also be critical for the fleet's maintenance and upkeep, which is scheduled to last at least 3 decades. According to a Ministry of Defense spokeswoman, the C-295 project and quote, provides a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for the Indian private sector to enter the technologically intensive and highly competitive aircraft industry, hence boosting India's aerospace ecosystem, and quote, several MSMEs from all around the country are likely to benefit from the C-295 transaction. Hopefully it will give big boost to Atmanirbhar Bharat drive. Please write a comment about your point of view. Also, if you enjoy the video then please like, share and subscribe.